Hi, my name is Daniel with Chime Technologies. If you're a successful real estate agent, you're on the run, closing deals, meeting clients, but we both know that you're not chained to your desk. Historically, sales and marketing technology for real estate has been in the dark ages. Agents have been left with a hard-to-use CRM and non-functional mobile application. This leaves you relying on your computer, which means leads slip through the cracks and you're left frustrated. I've consulted hundreds of real estate professionals just like yourself, so I completely understand. That's why here at Chime, we developed our all-in-one technology solution in a mobile-first environment. This means that everything that you can do from your computer, you can access from the palm of your hand. Fill out the form on this page for a free consultation with me. During this consultation, I'll learn more about your specific needs and your goals for the future. You already know that missing opportunities is costing you money and causing you frustration. Do not wait any longer. Fill out the form on this page, and I look forward to getting to know you a lot better.